Hey everyone! In today's Photoshop quick guide, we're tackling two essential skills: how to crop an image cleanly and how to turn anything into a seamless pattern. Let's jump right in. Cropping in Photoshop is simple, but there are some tips to keep it sharp and flexible. Select the crop tool from the toolbar, then drag over the image to set your crop frame. Use the handles to adjust the area you want to keep. Then click the top right corner to select the tick. This is optional, but uncheck Delete Cropped Pixels in the top bar if you want to keep the full image for non-destructive editing. Alright, let's go from cropping to creating. Now it's pattern making time. Create a new document with a transparent background. Then, add your design element, for example, a symbol, doodle, or icon. Then, go to Edit and then Define Pattern. Name your pattern, then hit Enter, and now it has been saved. To test it, you open a new document, then select the Paint Bucket tool. In the top menu, change Foreground to Pattern. Choose your saved pattern and click to fill. And that's it. Today you learned how to crop your images like a pro and create your very own Photoshop patterns for web, textiles, or digital art. Don't forget to like the video, comment below what do you want to learn next, and hit subscribe and hit the bell for more design hacks. See you next time.